Hi guys, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian, and today I want to do a very special like New Year's Eve inspired, maybe going out, maybe just like a party look if you're not going out, maybe a look if you're going to like Target or Walmart or something. It's gonna be great. This tutorial is brought to you by Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Lashes. These lashes are perfect for every occasion or look, and you can find them at ULTA, Walmart, Walgreens, and CVS starting in 2019. You get 6 beautiful styles in this collection. These have triple design technology, precisely engineered with 3 different patterns, thickness, and density for 3D results. These ones are called corset, and obviously, I mean, I've been wearing them. I'm sorry, I try to make them look pretty for the video, but corset. We have bustier, teddy, negligee. I think these ones today for this look I'm gonna use. Brassiere. And then we have camisole. These ones are kind of fire too. Maybe I should use these ones because this is like a dramatic party look. So a big thank you to Kiss for partnering with me on this. Let's get into the tutorial. I'm gonna start with my eyes first. If I get any fallout, it's easy to clean up. So I'm starting with a black gel liner. You can also use like a black pencil liner. I'm placing this on my lash line, going outwards. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm just gonna blend and soften it. Just get it on there. You see that? We're good. Now I'm taking a blending brush and I'm just gonna lightly kind of go over it and smudge it, soften it. I'm grabbing a little bit more of the liner and adding it right at the edge of my eye because I want this to be pretty dark. This is a NARS eyeshadow, it's called Chili. Ooh, look at that shimmer. So these by itself, they look very sheer and kind of like, they look boring is what I'm gonna say. But when you layer them over an eyeliner, they are so pretty. Don't be fooled by the sheerness. So using my finger, I'm just placing this on all over my lid. Then coming in with like a deep purple shade. This is a matte shade, but if you wanna use shimmer, you could use shimmer as well. Placing this right on the edge of the eye and then coming lightly into the crease. Having that black down first will make this appear a lot darker. So if like you don't have a dark purple, layer it over a black, and there you go. You now have a dark purple. A brush with nothing on it, going to go right on the edge, really soften and smoke it out. I like to smoke out my shadow. This part is always optional. You could grab that shade and then add it in right on the edge. Taking a makeup remover wipe, cleaning up the fallout. Gonna sharpen the edge as well. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Pyro. The corner of my eye and then coming into my crease. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. When you see a whitehead, you have to pick it. For foundation today, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin. I have number 3.0. I like this foundation, it works for me. It's pretty. Today I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is the shade Fair Neutral. And you guessed it, I'm gonna put it on right here. So I'm gonna go kind of heavy because it's New Year's. And you know, come on, I don't have to explain. You wanna look flawless when the clock strikes midnight. I'm gonna use this sponge. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is the Mellow Cosmetics Brow Pomade in Caramel. So I'm just using a small brush. Do you say caramel or caramel? My eyebrows are super bush right now, so let's not zoom in too close. I need some forgiveness. I was gonna pluck them, but just like so busy not doing that. Okay, so I'm just filling in my brow. You know, there's not much to really speak on when it comes to eyebrows. I got my eyebrows on. They look okay. They really need a good plucking. I love that I'm putting myself down. Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder, and I have the shade Translucent. I got this not long ago. It's fairly new to my life, and it's been really nice. I think I really like it. Placing it right under here. And then I'm also just gonna place it everywhere I put my concealer because this is where I tend to get really shiny. While that sits, I'm now going to finish my eyes. Grab a little bit of the black gel liner that I had used on my lid, and I'm going to place this right on the outer part of my lower lash line. Then I'm going to grab this purple shade right here, place this over the black. Now I'm grabbing the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Pyro and placing this on my lower inner lash line. I'm gonna dust off the loose powder This is the MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shade Contour Palette, and I like this shade right here in the middle, Sculpt. I'm placing this right into the hollows of my cheek, along my jawline, along my forehead. I'm going to put on a coat of mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Okay, so these are the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Lashes in the style Negligee. Yeah, we're gonna do it. I'm going to be using the Kiss Lash Couture Strip Adhesive. This is sold separately. It has a little brush applicator tip to it. And I'm going to place this right on the band of the lash. You wanna wait about 30 seconds for the glue to get tacky. And it also becomes a little clear, and that's when you know, put that lash on. I'm going to put the lash right at my natural lash line. I personally like to squeeze my real lashes and the false eyelashes together. Ooh, we are ready. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in 602. Then I'm going to apply the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Bikini Babe. This is the NARS Blush in Orgasm. I feel like I need some blush. This is the Becca Cosmetics Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop Highlighter. She's really old, this one. When did I get this? It hasn't been that long, has it? Yeah, it has, hasn't it? Okay, and then to top it all off, this is the Makeup Academy. Man, I need to get my eyes checked. I have 2019 goals. Gloss number 104, Baby Pink. Look at, it's a little crusty because it's been in my bag. Crusty seems to be my word lately. But this is like such a good, like new, sexy color. All right, so this is the finished look. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to wear it to your New Year's party? Ooh-hoo-hoo! Let me know down below. So I just want to say a big thank you to Kiss for partnering with me on this tutorial. I hope you like this look. I also hope that you have a happy and safe new year. Please don't drink and drive. Be responsible. Make good choices. And I hope to be seeing you guys very soon.